WhatsApp converts better than any platform because conversations lead. Our platform is unique because conversations lead directly to payments. This seamless integration is what sets us apart. Our platform is unique because conversations lead directly to payments. This seamless integration is what sets us apart. That's the end of number 3. Now, 4. My name is Linda. Please subscribe and follow for more. YouTube isn't just about views, it's about long-term buyers, but buyers for primary revenue, retention says sustainable growth. YouTube attracts people who are actively searching for solutions. If someone is looking for a specific answer, they turn to YouTube. I know this video is a bit long, but I promise it's worth it. You'll gain knowledge you can use right away. This platform is perfect for educating potential customers. It positions you as the expert and builds trust. YouTube content from experts works long-term. Videos can bring customers months or years later. Focus on quality and SEO. Our strategies turn viewers into high-value customers. This course shows you how, step by step. Enroll now and start your transformation. Let's look at our target customers. For online courses and coaching, and for services and tech products, it's young adults and businesses. That's the end of number 4. Now 5. My name is Linda. Please subscribe for more. That's the end of number 4. Now 5. My name is Linda. Please subscribe for more. Let's discuss targeting high-quality, high-budget customers. They drive sustainable growth and higher RO. Focus on long-term partnerships. LinkedIn is where serious money decisions are made. Users come here for business. Our professional services are designed to drive your business growth and support your career advancement. If you offer B2B solutions, this is the perfect opportunity to partner with us. We focus on growth, career advancement, and professional services. If you offer B2B solutions, our services can help you scale. For services, consulting, training, or high-ticket solutions, but fewer and fewer contacts that convert. Followers are good, but customers are much better. Let me share a case study. This approach turned followers into loyal customers. Leadership posts attract people ready to act. I shared my business story, and it drew committed followers. You can do this too. Invest. One good LinkedIn connection can be worth more than 10,000 casual followers elsewhere. That's the end of number 5. Now 6. My name is Linda. Please follow for more. TikTok brings real customers when content is fast and attention-grabbing. It's about quick conversions that turn views into sales. The key is strategy, not randomness. The platform pushes your content to people who don't know you yet. You have followers, but are you reaching them? Let's make it powerful. This strategy will expand your impact. Testimonials and quick demonstrations can trigger impulse decisions. Businesses that use these strategies see immediate results. So that's how we boost conversions. To get started, link in bio, what's our website. These simple calls to action drive real results. While followers may grow fast, the real value comes when attention is converted into sales. The real value comes when attention is directed to a sales funnel. Awareness, interest, decision, action. This is where we optimize. That's the end of number 6. Now 7. My name is Linda. Please subscribe for more. On X, conversations build real authority. It's about engaging, not just position you as a leader, and grow your influence. Twitter and X is a platform of ideas, conversations, and opinions. It works best. This is ideal for service providers, educators, writers, and tech-related businesses. By integrating these tools, you can streamline operations and boost productivity. As you can see, the data shows a strong upward trend. How does that compare to last quarter? It's up by 15%, a significant improvement. Attract people who respect your thinking. Sales happen through DMs and referrals. Attract people who respect your thinking. Sales happen through DMs and referrals. Credibility is built over time. Twitter doesn't create instant mass sales, but it produces sustained results. High-trust customers who value your expertise and are willing to pay. The final truth is very important. No platform magically brings customers on. It takes real strategy. It's its own. Customers come from strategy, not followers. The platforms that bring real results. Followers. The platforms that bring real customers are the ones where... That's the end of my explanation of social media marketing. My name is Linda. Please subscribe.